It's a familiar song at Belmont University, in a central location on campus. But what many don't realize is the more than 200-year-old story told in each brick. Long before it towered over Belmont, the Belmont Bell Tower was a water tower belonging to Colonel and Adelicia Atkin, and then a signal tower in the Civil War, a place of prayer starting in 1974.
Lights go out and I can't be saved. Tides that I tried to swim against put me down.
Today, it is a piece of history, a symbol of strength, refuge, and peace. And even with the changes happening around it, the bell tower will continue to stand proudly over Belmont.
And at the beginning of each school year, students gather here at the bell tower to touch a little piece of Belmont's history and also mark their place as creators of its future. For Belmont News, I'm Amanda Short.